Today, I'm going to show you how to create a product with variants on Shopify. Using GraphQL, step by step. Let's start. First, go to your Shopify dashboard. Open Apps, then go into your app settings. Click on Develop Apps, then select Build Apps via Dev Dashboard. Once the developer dashboard opens, click Create an App. Give your app a name, then click Create. Now we need to set the permissions. Under Access Scopes, select the following. You will need Read Products, Write Products, Read Inventory, and Write Inventory. Once selected, click Done. Scroll down and click Release. Now, click on your app name, then click Install App and install it into your store. After that, go back to your developer dashboard, open Settings, and here you will find your client ID and client secret. We will use these to generate our access token. Now open Postman and log in. Go to your workspace and create a new request. Set the method to post. In the URL field, enter https://your-shop.my.shopify.com/admin/oauth/access_token. Now go to the params parameters section in Postman. Add the following key value pairs. First row, key, grant_type. Value, client_credentials. Second row, key client_ID. Value, your client ID from the developer dashboard. Third row, key client_secret. Value, your client secret. Now click Send. And just like that, your Shopify Access token is generated. Now, let's create a product. Create a new request in Postman. The URL will be https://your-shop.myshopify.com admin API 2024-0 Make sure the method is post. Then go to Headers and add content type, application JSON, and also X Shopify Access token. Enter your access token. Now for the body. Go to Shopify Developer Docs and search for the productCreate mutation. Copy the GraphQL mutation, paste it into Postman, and update the fields like title and product options with your own values. Keep in mind, this will create a simple product. You only need one base variant at this stage. We'll add the variants later in this video. Now click Send. Your product is now created. Next, let's add variants. Create another request in Postman using the same URL, same method, and same headers. For the body, go back to Shopify Developer Docs and search for the productVariantsBulkCreate mutation. Copy both the mutation and the variables, then paste them into Postman. Update the product ID using the response from your previous product creation request. Also, update the option IDs as needed. Now, click Send. And that's it. Your product now has variants, and you've successfully created a product with variants using only 2 GraphQL requests.